Hey guys, so if you guys can like and subscribe and to all my videos, my account. I make just post Fortnite videos, battle royale videos. So I don't want to be a huge creator. I just want to make people's day good. I'm just gonna play some of this. And see what happens. Hopefully we do a good job. Should we pick this one? Weekly mode, pick your and load out. Okay. Hopefully guys, our days are going well. Hopefully you guys are doing. Hopefully you guys are having a great summer. Finally, it's just late. Guys, just like and subscribe, and I will shout out you next video if you like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this one round. I just want to make people stay. If I lose or win, it doesn't matter. I just want to make people know that they can do anything that they want in life. If people say unkind words and they say you can't do that in life, it doesn't mean you, okay? And if you can't do it in life, you know God will still love you, and He will be there for you with every single watch. I'm just gonna play some of these rounds and then I just wanna make people's days. Hopefully you guys are having a great day and just that your parents are doing great and just know that you will always have a good friend. It doesn't matter if they're homeless, it doesn't matter if they're oh, good job. And just see you guys. Hopefully you guys love my channel. I just don't wanna if I become one of those free YouTubers, the people who actually like let me do this, like my people that like Shout out to Winter from Power and Mal for this Fortnite, and just know that you are a great YouTuber. I'm inspired by you. Like, I love you guys' videos. If you guys are doing a great day, having a great day today, hopefully the rest of that day will be great for you. And knowing that some people might not have a good spirit. You guys have a great day. See ya.